I hope everybody is doing great, guys. Another day, another Sunday. Let's try to see if we can get other pairs that probably we should be trying to see if we can trade this Monday or this coming week. All right. So first things first, this is gold, guys. I did predict that last week. You can see that I did send that to my Telegram community channel. This is it, December 8th. All right. I gave them the gold idea, and yes, you see how the market played out nicely. NFP created volatility and everything was okay, but then that's past tense, guys. So let's try to see if we can get something, any pair, random pair, guys. Let's see. Let's start with that US design. If you don't get anything, guys, we just leave that. We won't force anything, we won't force any entry. US design, what do we see? Let's try to get our trend line. This is from the 3 months, guys. 1 2 3. This is the first touch, second touch, and then price kinda is approaching that third touch. All right, so if we clone that, then this should be the case. Then now let's continue. First thing before that, let's try to use the line chart. Okay, all right, if we do that, we had kind of 1 2 3. Okay, that's the second touch. Yes, like I said, the price somehow trying to give us the third touch. So let's go to the monthly now. Okay, now when we go to the monthly, I don't know if we can call this somehow head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, then this is the head right there. Then the price is kind of giving me a right shoulder for continuity or for reversal to go down. So if that's the case, guys, then let's see if we get maybe 1 2. Okay, that's kind of making sense. So let's see. So let's go to the weekly then. Now when we go to the weekly, let's try to make sure that our trends are somehow making sense. All right, so we adjust this, we had 1 2 3. That's the kind of touch. So let's continue. So like I say, if this is the left shoulder, then this is the head neckline. This is kind of right shoulder. Though then now we anticipate the price should be, but that's just anticipation, guys. All right, might not be a head and shoulder. You know, price is full of manipulation, guys. Okay, so let's see if we had that kind of behavior. Let's go to the daily then. We'll react to what the market will be doing at that moment. All right, okay, so if we had this at the daily, then let's try to interpret this movement, guys. We need to do this, maybe this zone right here as a resistance, because somehow price has played around here for some time. All right, so how is price going to approach this resistance of ours? So 1 2, then now let's try to clone. 1 2. Okay, now if we bring back our candlesticks, guys, let's see. Okay, okay, if we had that kind of pattern, then somehow this is it. Maybe the market does this thing, then maybe drops. Okay, those are anticipation. So let's go to the 4-hour and understand this kind of market behavior, the current price. All right, let's go. So right now, what are we seeing? Okay, the market gave us the first touch, second touch, missed the third touch, also another touch. So probably it's trying to go back to this, but at the same time we still have a sensitive zone right here as a resistance. So this is kind of reversal, guys. If this left top neckline, the right top, so the market kind of wants to reverse to go to the downside. All right, so how are we going to approach that? So let's continue digging in deep at the 1 hour and maybe look for a zone where price is kind of consolidating, and a break below that, then we execute our position or our sell position. Okay, so this is it. If I do this kind of, so somehow the market kind of broke out of this consolidation somehow. Let me see. Oh, that was not a break. So it's going to be crazy, guys, when Monday comes or when the market opens, spread. So you might miss this drop. We might miss this drop. All right. So if that's the case, let's continue. So let's hit the 15. Let's hit the 15. All right. So this is it. So we kind of see we have a lot of touches here. We have so many touches. Let's try to see. He had a first touch. Sorry. Kind of had a first touch right here, second touch, then the third. On the third, the market drop as usual. And we're also having another touch here. So those are just conference. So kind of more than 3 touches. Good conference that we should be going down, right? But guess what? Yes, we should be going down, but kind of the market is still in an uptrend here. So patterns within patterns, trends within trends. Those are crazy things, guys. Let me do this. All right, you see that? Okay. So for us to take sell end, it doesn't mean that the market has kind of broken out of these consolidation zone, guys. We still need more reversal structures, right? Yes, we have this first touch, second touch, blah blah blah, and the higher time frame we see reversals, but then at the lower time frame we're still in an uptrend. So this is it. We kind of need a reversal or a confirmation that the market is kind of done away with these uptrend. Okay, so this is what I mean. I believe I need price to give us the third touch of our trend line, because we had a first touch, second touch, and the third. Guys, I don't know why I keep on feeling dizzy when recording. I don't know. I thought I was recovering. This is crazy. So this is it, the third touch, and then I need retest. So when a price breaks out of this zone right here, I don't know why I feel like this, guys, but I'll try my best and finish this. So this should be the zone right here. If price breaks, then we make our stop loss above, then now hit this level. Okay, so we have to identify this as the last low. Okay, so this is it. So when Monday comes, we need to see this kind of pattern on US design. If that doesn't happen, then we won't make any sell position or buy position unless we see what the market is trying to do. So let's continue to other pairs. Alright, guys, so we're back, guys. You have to forgive me, guys. I'll just be recording in bits, and if I feel dizzy, I'll be pausing, getting some fresh air, then we continue, guys. Okay, so let's continue to the next pair, any random pair that is on US design. So let's see if we have something. Let me see USD card, guys. Probably because of how I'm feeling, because of my condition, maybe I should see if I can get 3 pairs and see. So USD card, guys, let's start. Let me start. Let me get my line thing. Okay, so if we kind of do this, we had this as the last or the highest zone right there. Then kind of price was playing around this zone for the past. Okay, this is the monthly, so price has been moving sideways. So how about maybe this impulse, then this is kind of correction before we continue up? Yes, that might be the case, but at the same time, guys, let me see. All right, okay, if we had that, and how about we also bring another line right there? Somehow we saw that the market went, then did this. So how about this, guys? I'm seeing kind of inverse head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder right there, this is the head, this is the right shoulder. Okay, and somehow we saw that this was kind of bullish flag. Okay, I'm feeling dizzy. This was kind of bullish flag, and if we clone these, guys, oh god, I'm feeling dizzy. If we clone this like that, so let's continue to the lower time frame monthly. Oh, shit. Okay, so we do this, we make everything make sense, and if we bring back our candlestick, you see it's kind of not looking great, but then everything will be looking great at the lower time frame as we continue digging in deeper, right? So let's go. Okay. So that's it. We can see that somehow our bullish flag is kind of trying to make sense right now, because we see this was an impulse correction, impulse, bigger version of a correction. The market did this. So basically, I can see that the market somehow broke out of our bullish flag, then retested, then went back, then somehow coming back. I don't know why, but we should understand everything more at the lower time frame. At the same time, if I try to identify some of the support and resistance zone, we had this zone right there, and some of the market, some of the market broke, and then what's happening? Okay. Let me get fresh here, guys. Let's continue. So if we continue, guys, oh man. Okay, so let's see. I'm kind of seeing. Let me just go to the daily time frame. We need to understand this USD card really in depth. Okay. So for now, I don't know what's happening, but how about we try to identify some of the sensitive zones that this price kind of has played around for some time. So we should be looking for patterns. I don't know if we should call this left shoulder, then this the head. Price give us that kind of right neckline, though, then it's now trying to go back to give us the right shoulder before we continue going up. So on USD card, we should just wait and see how price going to play. All right, but that is the daily. So let's go to the 4 hour then. Okay, at the 4 hour, guys, I believe you can see we had some of these was kind of support turned to resistance, and if I try to understand how the market is kind of approaching that resistance, let me clone that, guys. Let me just do this as the last video. I'm not feeling okay. I'm feeling dizzy. God. But anyway, you should check out my Telegram channel. I will just send out those analysis at my free time. That is if I feel better. So kinda, this is the left shoulder right here. This is the head. This is the right shoulder, guys. Okay, that is it. So if I try to cut the head, let me just hurry, guys. I'm not okay. That's it. So let me go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, this is it. Like I say, probably that's the head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder. This is the head. Boom. Maybe the right shoulder. Then we should go down. Those are just anticipation, guys. So let's see if we have that kind. Then let's do this. This is the support zone. So a break below, then we should see how the market drops. Okay, kind of we had this week, believe that was news, NFP news. So we should see how market will maybe break, go back. Then now if we see selling opportunity, then we execute, guys. Okay, first take profit here, then finally the last take profit should be around this support, because we understand that kind of the market is still in a downtrend, guys. So yes, we were seeing buys on USD card, but I don't believe so, guys. If I try to do this, I think everything now is starting to make sense, guys. So because we had first touch right here, second touch, and we never had our third touch. So on the third touch, you can see that kind of the market is giving us reversal structure to go down. That's a head and shoulder thing. So USD card and USD ZAR, those are just selling market. That is what we are seeing currently. So let me stop there, guys, and check out my Telegram channel, link in the description, guys. I'm not feeling okay. I will analyze when I'm okay. That is after going to the hospital once again, guys. So man, adios, mi amigos, peace.